Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2020 FitCon Ambassador Rewards Program. I'm going to go through on how you register to be an ambassador. Here we go. Step one, you're going to click that link. On here, if you've already registered, you can log in with your email and password. If you have not registered, you'll need to click here to sign up. Type in your name, type in an email. This is just a fake email we're going to use. Type in your password and hit sign up. It's going to take you to this next page where you create your discount code. So affiliate and discount code are the same thing. This discount code is what's going to get you $5 off ticket sales for all of your friends and families on your social media. So you want to make this personal to you and easy to understand and easy to share. So we'll do a fun one right here, FitCon Fun One. And again, once you do this and you sign up, this is your official discount code. Click sign up. This is your dashboard. You'll see how many clicks, conversions, percentage conversions you have on here. You'll be able to see all of your analytics. This is your official discount code. So when you share on social media, include this discount code. Again, so you'll say, hey, I have $5 off to FitCon. Use code FitConFun1 for $5 off. When someone uses that code, then that gets put into your report right here, and you'll be able to see where you stand. Lastly, this is your unique affiliate URL. I do not recommend using it. It's long, it's hard to remember, it's hard to copy and paste. I would stick to just the discount code, but you are able to use this as well.